Alrighty, Skip Jeffries here in the garage again. Another episode of Fix It or Trash It. What we got here, I guess, is we call it, a Shark steam mop here. I think it's a model 460. But anyways, wife's writing this one up as it won't steam. I went ahead and actually scoured the internet a couple days ago, and I said putting like vinegar in there and letting it sit for a couple hours. I ended up letting it sit for at least a day. I'll probably let it sit till tomorrow. Still doesn't steam up. I can hear the steamer motor running in there, so I think from talking to my wife, she used tap water on it, and that's a big no-no with these steam mop. Tap water seems to clog up the system. So just initial look at it, I don't see any major issues with it except for the lid here. As you can see here, the knob is kind of broken a little bit, so haven't priced out repair on that, but the major thing is trying to get this thing to steam out. The thing I guess would be an issue with it is it being a steam system. It may need that seal to be pretty tight, and it's kind of loose as you can see from here. But like I said, I think I'll let this sit another 24 hours. My verdict on this one here, I think we are going to try to do a repair. We're gonna dig into it. I think I'll call this the option C versus fix it, repair it, or trash it. This one here will be probably just further investigating and see what we can see if we can tear it apart. That's the biggest issue. And the other issue is once you tear these things down to a certain extent, getting it back together may be an issue, and we may end up just trashing it just because we can't put this thing back together. But anyways, I think there's gonna be more to come on this. We're going to definitely be tearing into it. I want to see what's going on with this. So just a quick update on this steam mop. Was messing around getting the tools ready to tear this thing apart, and lo and behold, I just decided let me plug it in to see if it'll work, and it started steaming on me. So I guess we can call this one a fix. Now what I did was, I heard most people dilute the vinegar. I just poured it in straight and let it sit for, it was probably about 2 days, 2.5 days. Anyways, I'm gonna add a little bit of distilled water to this thing, kind of dilute that vinegar, and we'll kind of let this thing run for a little bit and clear out its system here. So I mean, I guess you can call that a win, I guess, for the home team here. You get some more water in this thing, and we'll fire it up and let you guys kind of take a look at what's going on with it. But yeah, wasn't expecting it to start steaming up like it did. Let's see if we can get some of that fresh steam action here. Sounds a lot better. But yeah, I was pretty surprised that, like I said, just out of the blue, we decided to just kind of turn it on and see what that thing had to offer here, and it, like I said, just started steaming up. So I don't know if it was a combination of the rattling that I did with it, bouncing around trying to get tools to fit, but as you can see here, this puppy's steaming, and it's steaming pretty good, so that vinegar does do the trick. So like I said, I'm going to let this thing kind of cycle through the water, let it kind of rinse through everything. But like I said, it's a win for a home team here. I guess we're not spending the 70 to 130 bucks getting a new one, so makes me happy. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.